Good morning guys! How are you all? Na-miss nyo ba ako? Okay, we're getting ready for our next destination. Pero malapit lang. Dito lang tayo sa Barangay San Antonio, Ortigas, Pasig. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa 3 lugar dito sa Barangay San Antonio, yung mga lagi kong pinupuntahan. 1, ang famous Marco Polo Hotel in Meralco Avenue. 2, ang Barangay San Antonio Vegetable and Organic Garden. And 3, bibisita tayo sa isang opisina dito sa Ortigas, ang MCC Money Shops Finance Company Inc., na nagpapautang sa mga negosyante at negosyo para sa kanilang working capital requirements or expansion. Nandito lang siya sa Barangay San Antonio, Tectite Towers Building. Samahan niyo ako ha! Game!
Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Diga que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. You know I love it when the music's up, but come on, strip that down for me, baby. Now there's a lot of people in the crowd, but only you can dance with me. Cause I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better.
So, I'm now checking in at Marco Polo Ortigas. Here it is. It's so bright. Still in the afternoon.
I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't enough.
Upgraded ako.
You got them too. So give them all to me, and I'll give mine to you. Only what you do is.
Hello! Hi guys! So, we're now going to have a room tour. I got their deluxe room. Okay. So, what do they have? Ayan, yung kanilang Nespresso side, coffee nook. Then, I have a king-size bed. Siyempre, gusto ko yung maluwag yung bed. And, ito na, ang gusto ko, day bed, where I can reminisce with a very nice view. Wow. So nice. And let's see their bathroom. Smells so complete amenities siya like before, and they have a bathtub. The best.
Good morning! I'm here now in Cocina for their breakfast. I'm so excited. Ano kayang meron? So, let's check it out, guys. Tara!
Put in them hours, you gon' make it harder. You're sending pic after picture, you gon' get me fired. You know I'm always on that night shift, and you can't stand these nights alone. Yeah, you don't need no explanation, cause baby, I'm the boss at home. We don't gotta go work, 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 work.
Ito naman ang kanilang bread section. Oh, they have my favorite croissant. Pancake with all the syrup. Pero ang aga-aga mag-breakfast. Hello! Morning!
Let's put it in motion. Baby, give me a promotion. Let's make you feel like a vacation.
It's almost dinner time. Kailangan maaga ako. I have guests coming from LA. Wow! May lechon! Tamang-tama! Mukhang malutong. Ano pa kaya meron? Wah! Paella! Ano to? May pizza rin. Dami. Pasta. Check.
Ano to, kuya?
Pork pinagumang to.
Wow, tapos ito, tamang-tama for my balikbayan guest. Pinakbet ba yan?
Oo.
And this is their salad section. Just right. No drinks, wine. I'd better have wine tonight.
I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home, loving you so, 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 the way I used to love you. No, I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home, the way I used to love you. Oh, I don't wanna know.
Favorite ko rin ang kanilang Lung Hin restaurant, their Cantonese food. Try it out.
No, I can't take it, baby.
Hi guys, now I'm entering the Continental Club at the 41st floor. Oh, is it 44th floor?
Don't bring up your name. Are you happy now? Are you
Thank you, Miss Maros. Have a good day.
Thank you, Micah. Thanks for the great service.
Oh, thank you very much.
Babalik ako talaga.
We'll wait for you, ma'am. Thank
Sige.
you.
love you? No, I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home?
Welcome to Cafe Pronto. It's my first time to try this bake shop. What do they have here? Let's check it out. I know they have sandwiches, pasta, and pastries with their signature coffee. Ang sarap ng cake. Ang dami pala. Okay. So beautiful. They have salted ensamada and chocolate cake. Okay. So I'm now going to enjoy my smoked salmon with deviled egg and croissant plus my cappuccino. It's merienda time, so I guess I'll have a late dinner tonight. Let's eat! Sarap! So bumalik ako with my friend Edge and we ordered lasagna, ube ensamada, and brewed coffee.
Tag boot up screenshots. No more trying to make me jealous on your birthday. You know just how I made you better on your birthday. Do you like this? Do we like this? Do we lay it down for you, touch your poop like this? Matter of fact, never mind, will I let the past be? Maybe he's right now, but your body's still me. I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home, love you so, 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 so.
Ay, kalasa. Ang ganda naman ng locker room nila. May towel na raw dito.
Ito po yung towel ninyo. And then, pag ahon po itong isa, transfer ko po kayo sa couch.
2 o'clock, I drove you off down at your grandparents'. I parked my car, said hi, and baby tonight we'll have a good time. Forget all of our troubles, close our eyes and let go. I don't mind if we get our drinks on. Your mama may not like it, but I show it so well. And when the sun goes down, well me up by the bonfire, baby. The moon's gonna be crazy
Nandito kami ngayon sa Barangay San Antonio Herbal Garden. Let's go! Hello! Hi, Manang! May regalo ako sa'yo. Ito si Manang Emma, nag-aalaga dito. Meron akong vlog, Manang. Ha? Red Lady Papaya. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Ano meron ka? Ay, ano to? Ito na ating herbal garden. Na gawa ng Sonta. Mandaluyong San Juan 2. Ang aking social civic organization. Ay, mainit. Pag sombrero ako, maarte. Halika, tignan natin ang ating munting hardin sa Barangay San Antonio, Ortigas, Pasig.
Bali, nagbago mga tanim kasi baga mga after naman, may labanan naman kami sa Pasig.
Wow, ang ganda. Ano to? Tangkong.
Yan,
Echay. Ay, mustasa.
ito yung ano,
Hindi ako makahinga. Tanggalin ko yung akin. Ano, outdoor naman.
at least ano naman mami, maraming halaman.
Mga recyclable lang yung mga ginagamit, di ba?
Lahat, ma'am.
Na, ay, ano yun? Patol, upo.
Opo na bilog.
Ah, merong eggplant. Pwede na ba siyang i-harvest?
Maliit lang eh.
Halin, ang payat. Bakit ang payat?
Hindi, sa sobrang ulan ma'am. Lahat ng
Wow,
gamit
ano
na
to?
recycle.
Sili.
Sili na ano ma'am, hindi siya yung siling pang sigang, parang sili yung galing sa Thailand. Ganyan siya pero super ano siya ang ayun yung sa medyo nag-ano sila kasi sobra.
Anong Emma, sa Pasig City Hall employee ka pala. And the project of the Pasig City is to have a green project for each barangay. And you chose Barangay San Antonio dahil taga dito ka ba?
Yes po. Kung saan ka naka-assign, kunwari ako like San Antonio ako, sa San Antonio lang talaga. Pag Kapitulyo ka lang din po. Ngayon, para sipagin yung mga, para mag-active yung mga ganitong klaseng activities, kailangan may contest para sipagin yung mga gardener. Kasi ang after ng cleaning, di ba, clean and green kami. After ng cleaning, green naman.
Green naman.
Oo. So, para active, yung mga nagkakaroon ng contest. Nakuha ko na yung 4.
Apat na?
4 na grand winner.
Wow!
Oo,
4 times ka ng grand
Yes,
winner.
yes, yes.
Congratulations! Kasama si Charlie.
Charlie.
Charlie, hi ka naman doon. So ngayon, lumapit kay Kap.
Nung pinaalis
Easy.
kami sa Gate 1, sikap na lang talaga yung pag-asa.
Ay, Kap, ang galing-galing mo talaga, hi.
So, sikap naman.
TRL.
Nung sikap naman, pinayagan kaming makapasok dito, kinausap niya yung may-ari. Ngayon siya, 100% naman support kung ano yung kailangan ng mga gardener.
Congrats, Kap. Galing. Believe talaga ako dito sa Barangay San Antonio Organic and Vegetable Garden sa about 400 square meters na lote. Ang dami-dami nilang nagawa at natanim dito. Ngayon, pinapakinabangan na ng Barangay City Hall at yung mga kabarangay natin dito sa San Antonio. So, sana nagustuhan ninyo yung aking munting presentasyon or pictures or video ng mga nandito sa Barangay San Antonio Organic and Herbal Garden. Bye, kabarangay!
Wake up every morning on the side of your bed. The city never sleeps, got soft dreams in your head. Make
Andito na tayo sa MCC Finance. Aba, nandito yung paborito kong ahente. Hi, Dennis. Good morning.
Returnees ako
Okay. Thank you. So, ito ho ang aming opisina. Wala pang tao. Maaga pa. Uy, good morning. So, ito ang MCC Money Shop Finance. Guys, pwede kayong umutang dito. Basta may negosyo. Okay?
MCC Money Shops, proseso madali, servisyo quality sa amin. MCC Money Shops, MCC Money Shops.
Okay. Natapos na ang tour natin dito sa Ortigas. Napagod ba kayo? Medyo pagod na ako. So, until my next vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe, i-click nyo lang yon. And share this to your friends and family. See you again!